Today we are going to talk about the top 10 richest people in the world. Number 1, Elon Musk. Elon Musk is working to revolutionize the transportation both on Earth through the electric car maker Tesla and in space via rocket producer SpaceX. He owns a 21% of Tesla but has pledged more than half his stake as collateral for loans. Forbes has discounted his stake to take loans into account. He stepped down as a chairman in 2018 after making alleged false statements about a plan to take Tesla private. SpaceX, the rocket company of Musk, is now valued at $46 billion. He grew up in South Africa, then immigrated to Canada at an age of 17. Number 2, Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos founded an e-commerce company called as Amazon in 1994 out of his garage. He runs it as a CEO and owns an 11.1% of stake. Between March and April 2020, in between the pandemic, Amazon said it hired 175,000 of additional workers to their company. In April 2020, Bezos said that he would give $100 million to Feed America, a non-profit that operates food banks and food pantries all across the country. Amazon has faced criticism from US senators and the general public for its treatment of the warehouse workers during the coronavirus pandemic period. He divorced his wife in 2019 after 25 years of marriage and transferred a quarter of his Amazon stake to her. Number 3. Bernard Arnault and family. One of the world's ultimate taste makers, Bernard Arnault oversees an empire of 70 brands including Louis Vuitton and Sephora. In November 2019, LVMH struck a deal to buy American jeweler Tiffany and Cooperatives for $16.2 billion, believed to be the biggest luxury brand acquisition ever. LVMH spent over $3.2 billion in 2019 for luxury hospitality group Belmond, which owns or manages 46 hotels, trains, and river cruises. His father made a small fortune in construction. Arnault got his start by putting up $15 million from that businesses to buy Christian Dior in 1985. Number 4. Bill Gates. With his wife Melinda, Bill Gates chairs the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the world's largest private charitable foundation. In May 2020, the Gates Foundation said it would spend around $300 million to fight the coronavirus pandemic, funding treatment, detection, and vaccines as well. Gates has sold or given away much of his stake in Microsoft. He just owns over 1% of shares and invested in a mix of stocks and other assets. In mid-March 2020, Gates stepped down as a board member of Microsoft, the software firm he founded with Paul Allen in 1975. The foundation works to improve global health and to create equal opportunities for people around the globe. Till this date, Gates has donated $35.8 billion worth of Microsoft stock to the Gates Foundation. Number 5. Mark Zuckerberg. Facebook, which is owned by Zuckerberg, has become a go-to communication tool during the coronavirus pandemic lockdown. More than 1,000 advertisers joined the boycott in June to protest Facebook's lax policy of hate speech and misleading posts from politicians. Zuckerberg started Facebook at Harvard in 2004 at the age of 19 for the students to match names with photos of classmates. He took Facebook public in May 2012 and still owns about 15% of the stock. In December 2015, Zuckerberg and his wife pledged to give away 99% of their Facebook stake over their lifetimes. Number 6. Zhang Shanshan. Zhang Shanshan chairs Nokfu Spring, a bottled water company which listed its shares in Hong Kong in September 2020. Hangzhou born Zhang dropped out of elementary school during China's chaotic cultural revolution. He later had a job as a construction worker, a newspaper reporter, and a beverage sales agent before starting his own business. Zhang also controls Beijing's Wentai Biological Pharmacy, which went public on the Shanghai Stock Exchange in April 2020. Number 7. Larry Ellison. Larry Ellison is a chairman, chief technology officer, and a co-founder of a software giant Oracle, of which he owns about 35.4%. He gave up the Oracle CEO role in the year 2014. After 37 years, Oracle has grown in a part through steady acquisitions of software companies, the biggest of which was $9.3 billion for NetSuite in the year 2016. In May 2016, Ellison pledged $200 million to the University of Southern California for a cancer treatment center. In the year 2012, Ellison spent $300 million to buy nearly all the Hawaiian island Lanai. So far, he has built a hydroponic farm and a luxury spa there. Ellison joined Tesla's board in December 2018 after purchasing 3 million Tesla shares earlier that year. Number 8. Warren Buffett. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all the time. Buffett runs Berkshire Hathaway, which owns more than 60 companies. The son of a US congressman, he first bought stock at the age of 11 and first filed taxes at the age of 13. He has promised to donate over 99% of his wealth. So far, he has given more than $41 billion, mostly to the Gates Foundation and his kids' foundation. In the year 2010, he and Bill Gates togetherly launched the Giving Pledge, asking billionaires to commit to donating at least half of their wealth to charitable causes. Number 9. Larry Page. Larry Page stepped down as a CEO of Alphabet, the parent of Google, in December 2019, but remains a board member and a controlling shareholder. He co-founded Google in the year 1998 with a fellow Stanford PhD student. With Brin, Page invented Google's PageRank algorithm, which powers the search engine. Page was CEO until the year 2001 when Eric took over, and then from the year 2011 until 2015 when he became the CEO of Google's new parent company, Alphabet. He is a founding investor in space exploration company Planetary Resources and is also funding flying car startups Kitty Hawk and Opener. Number 10. Sergey Brin. Sergey Brin stepped down as a president of Alphabet, the parent company of Google, in the year 2019. But he still remains a controller, shareholder, and a board member. He co-founded Google with Larry Page in the year 1998 after the two met at Stanford University while studying for advanced degrees in computer science. Google went public in the year 2004 and changed its name to Alphabet in the year 2015. Brin was absent from the public Alphabet events for much of 2019. He spent his time on Alphabet's moonshots research in the Lab X. Brin is reportedly funding a high-tech airship project.